Hey guys, today we will be installing my new, to me, second-hand Sparco Sprint bucket seat into my Mark 1 MX5. To do this, you will need 1 or 2 bucket seats from Sparco. We have also got some seat rail adapters. These are from Jass Perfromance and they fit the Sparco directly onto the OEM Mazda seat rails, so you don't need side mounts or anything like that. It's just these 2 things. They also come with the bolts to bolt it down. I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. 4 bolts, 2 rails, 1 seat. Some instructions we're not going to use. And the seat will be in the car. Let's do it. We remove the mat. Pretty grim. And then slide the seat back. We can see we've got 2 bolts at the front. And then if you slide the seat all the way forwards, you can gain access to the 2 mounts up the back. So these are 14 millimeters. 14 mil. I've already prepared it on my ratchet. I found a quid. Oh. Four bolts removed. In theory, if you have a Mark II, you might have some wires, but I don't think the Mark I does. Okay, so we have 1 more bolt on here. If you come round. On a Mark I, the seat belt mounts to the chassis. On a Mark II, the seat belt mounts to the rail. So there's a slight difference there. Oh mate, look how much money's down there. Cash money. Mate, I reckon that needs hoovering, not say you. Mate, look how much money we've made. And we got a pen. Wait, are these, is that euro? That's an old pound. Old pound. 3 old pounds. Look at all that. Why is there a leaf under there? It's not even a real leaf. Oh, got to reverse out of here. Beep, beep, beep. Right, and what we'll do now is hoover it. No, well, you can. You can hoover it, Ollie. I'm going to drag this around the front. I'm going to take the seat off the rail. NHS Maidstone and Tunbridge Wells parking permit. March 2008. No wonder he had so much cash. Yeah. With the seat on its face down, arse up, we just need to remove the rail from the main body. So we've got 2 12mm bolts here and here. Right, and now with the seat slid all the way the other way, you can get access to the other 2 12. One there. It just falls off. And one there. So we're going to put these to one side because we're going to put these back on the other seat. And this can go in the scrap. We need to bolt the Jass Perfromance adapters to the bottom of the Sparco seat.
So with the bracket and the supplied countersunk bolt, we're going to do that. So they go this way round. So the long end faces the front of the bucket seat, okay? So I'm going to just put them in loosely. And then once we've got both in, I will tighten them up. You want to make sure they're nice and tight, because obviously that is what's holding the seat together, right? We do the same with the other side. Except that we've got some nuts left, and instead of having bolts to mount the rails to the seat, we now use the supplied nuts to bolt it on here. So if I grab the rails, so they slide through the holes. Okay, so now we need to move the rail down to get access to the same but at the back. So push them down, and now you can see we have access to the two at the top. Cool. And now we just need to get this back in the car. There are two pins that sort of locate the rails on either side, and they want to fall into these two holes. So hopefully I've got it aligned correctly on the bottom of the seat at the moment, but if not, we can move it forward and back till it goes in. And then we can put the seat forward and back to get the hardware back together. So, but the seat is in. Now with a Mark 1, we're going to have to mount the seat belt sort of clip, holster, whatever you want to call it, down here somewhere. And we're probably just going to mount it back to the chassis where it was before. And if Ollie has a problem with it, what we can do is just get a seat belt with a longer bar on it to go in there. There is a hole inside of here, but that's where the if you're going to use the side mounts, it would be, and I don't know whether that's structurally enough for a seatbelt.
Probably a grey area.
Yeah, but it's up to you really. So we're going to do it down there and make do for now, and then yeah, and then also we need to then run the seatbelt through. I think you want the lap hole to come through here, don't you?
Yeah, so I want it across my lap, otherwise you're just going to have a seatbelt across the seat and it's not going to be holding you in anything.
So that should be quite easy. One bolt.
The bolt at the bottom, innit?
And scoop that round, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
So we'll do the seatbelt down there first. So we're just going to remove the bottom mount for the seatbelt, which is just the one down here. And I assume you just roll it through there.
Yeah, but the seatbelt's twisted. That's it. Yeah.
Then pop that. Like so. And now
fucking hell, that's tight. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm in.
okay.
Seatbelt. Now, to be fair, it's right there now.
It's not that bad for you, is it? I think if you were someone that sat a lot further forward, it'd be more of an
I do need
issue.
to go forward a bit, but that's alright.
Happy with that?
Yeah, mate, that's it. I'm in. Let's go racing. There's no way I can get out of that with the roof up. So there we have it. Bucket seat installed. If you can hear that ticking noise, that is my immobiliser going crazy because the car's sat up in the unit for about 3 weeks, so the battery's probably dead. Or the car's fucked and I'm going to be walking home tonight. So yeah, Go Japan is not next week but the week after. Might try and get one more mod on before then, but who knows, time permitting. Front bumper's done, rear bumper's done, seat's done. Quite happy with how the progress is going. Next up is probably roll cage and anti-roll bars. I also need to find a way to mount my number plates to the front bumper, so I don't really want to drill it. So I might look at something very soon for that. Keep subscribing because only 5% of the watchers are subscribed, so that means 95% of you are not subscribed. So please like and subscribe. Do us a favour, doesn't cost you any money, just do it please. Thank you, God bless, goodbye, peace out.